Guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how I do my new growth. I have so much new growth. I go really long in between times, as well as my locks grow outside of my locks. So I'm just showing you how I do my maintenance. I like to braid my actual new growth in, especially when I, again, go too long without maintenance. I find that this is an excellent technique versus interlocking, retwisting. There's so many different ways. But again, this is just another way that I'm showing you guys how to be able to get your new growth tame. So just check out this video. Basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'll be parting off my hair. You always gotta make sure you part your hair off nice and neat. I'm just using water and aloe vera gel. That's all I use in my locks. What I like to do is I find my new growth. I look at it, I feel it, and I actually do it just like a braid. You see how I got three legs? I got one with the new growth, one with my lock, and another one with my new growth. You can do it two different ways. You can braid it really tight, see how that looks for you, or you can kind of braid it loose. Either way, when I say this holds your roots so good and it's easy, some people are not able to do the interlocking technique. So if you can't do that, you most definitely want to try this. What I'll also be doing is I'll be using the crochet hook. You actually don't have to use the crochet hook, but I'm going to be using it. I like to use it for the end of my actual braid. I just kind of tuck it inside of there. But like I said, again, if you don't have one, you don't have to use it. But just wanted to show you guys another way to be able to get your locks together. Look at that. Look how that is. I don't have to worry about my new growth coming out of my locks or nothing like that. When it comes to my hairline as well as my nape area and my top half, my new growth grow outside of my locks. You have some people that their new growth grow with their locks and some people grow outside, and that's how mine is. So I like to just make sure I keep it nice and damp with some water and oil or aloe vera gel. And again, I just braid it in. And I'll show you guys how to do another one. Don't forget to go ahead and comment and subscribe. I would truly appreciate that. But just go ahead and watch me and I'll show you how I'm doing it. Okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, this is the part that I'm using the crochet hook. You see that little piece that's left? If you want, you can keep on braiding it down, keep braiding it down. But what I'm about to do is I'm actually about to use the crochet hook and just tuck it in my locks. So basically that's all I'm doing is just tucking that little piece inside of my locks. But again, if you don't have the crochet hook, just keep braiding until you can't braid anymore. And then I'll keep that in there also. That is how I braid my hair in because my hair grow away from my locks. So sometimes I have to braid it. Sometimes I interlock it. Sometimes I retwist it. It all depends. But now I got all that new growth in there. And it's crazy because it's like I know I interlock it, but to me the braid method is so much better when it comes to getting all of it in there. So now we have all of them in there and they look good. Okay, just wanted to show you another way to be able to maintenance your locks, especially if they grow outside of the actual my new growth grow outside of the lock in my hairline area and my back area. So now here we go. You see? Okay, don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye guys. Like for real. Why are grays so stubborn? They make sure you are able to see them and they are hollering out like, hey, I see you.